To leverage trade on Webull, follow these steps. Log into Webull. Open the Webull app or desktop platform and log in with your credentials. Enable margin trading. Ensure you have a margin account, as leverage trading requires one. If you only have a cash account, you will need to switch to a margin account by applying for margin trading through the app or platform. Understand margin requirements. Familiarize yourself with the margin requirements and leverage limits set by Webull. Leverage allows you to borrow funds to trade larger positions, but it also increases risk. Webull typically offers up to 4 times leverage for day trading and 2 times for other trades. Deposit funds. Ensure your margin account has sufficient funds to meet the margin requirements. Webull will require initial deposit based on the amount of leverage you plan to use. Place a trade. Search for the asset you want to trade. When placing an order, select the margin option. You can specify the amount of leverage you wish to use based on the asset and your account's available margin. Monitor your position. Keep a close eye on your leveraged positions. If the value of your trades moves against you, you may face a margin call requiring additional funds to maintain your positions. Close positions. To minimize risk, consider closing positions or adjusting your trades as needed based on market conditions and your risk tolerance.